Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Enjoying summer vacation. Here, Shikha Miss is back again with another video. A few days back I came across few of the videos where students are roasting teachers and making pranks in between the classes, recording and putting that on social media. Have a look.
हेलो मैम आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, I can hear you.
ठीक है
Is there
मैम.
a question? Do you want to ask something?
नो मैम.
And please let's speak in English.
ठीक है मैम.
Again, ठीक है. Who is this? I have to mute everybody again. Because when I shared information with you, I gave you
मैम
the
क्या
other
पढ़ा
link.
रहे हो?
The standard will be different, and for
Osama bin Laden, Ratima, best teacher, please change your names. Your attendance has to be recorded. These are different circumstances. Lalu ki tapri, please rejoin with.
हेलो सर. यस सर, ये डाउट वगैरह तो ठीक है सर, पर सर वो मुझे छोड़ गई सर.
It was really disheartening. On one side, teachers are coming out of their comfort level to teach students in this pandemic situation, and what result do they get? A viral video which is making fun of their teaching. Their faces are also visible. This was, who is at fault? Are the students who are recording such videos during the online session, or the teachers who are not able to control the classes? Well, none of my arguments will be able to justify this act. This was really not done. But teachers, what do? So teachers, I have a few tricks for all of you by which you can control your class and conduct your class in an effective way. Here are those. Number 1, keep the instructions of your class clear. Tell them clearly what do you expect. Few of them could be keeping the video turned on throughout the class to check whether they are able to understand, or they getting confused, or are they chatting with somebody or actually listening to you. This you may need to change, as turning on the video consumes a lot of data. Other instruction could be answer within 20 seconds of the time when your name is called. And this way you can make sure whether the child is present there physically or not, if in case the video is also off. Number 2, have a control over your class. You can have a control over the class by exploring the various features that the application provide a host. And the host can control all the unnecessary actions of the students. So have a look.
Let me show you the example of Zoom application and all the available option by which you can control your class. You take any application for your online class, you would get similar kind of interface and the options. Look at the bottommost tab in this application. You will get a security option where you will get all the other options which will enable you to manage your class. First of all, you need to enable the waiting room so that you can let the students enter which have proper name. And then you have to uncheck all the other options which come under allow participants to. You uncheck share screen, chat, rename and unmute themselves. This will help you conduct an uninterrupted class. And students won't get any chance to prank you, as your class is completely secured.
Number 3, involve the senses of your students during your online class. First, start your class by asking their doubts or their opinion about the topic. This would develop the interest of the topic in students' mind and help them gain the curiosity about it. Then start your lecture and support your lecture with some moving images that would help students gain real life experience virtually. Give some time to your students to read the content. Put something on share screen and let them read. It could be any question. This would help them hearing their classmates' voice, and they will feel more connected to you and their classmates. Give some time to write something. When the child writes, the child becomes active. Even if the child is just lying down on the bed and the video is off, by writing, the child will try recalling and writing all the words that you are speaking that time. Last but not the least, the teaching instructional aids. Gone are those days when teachers were asked to carry colorful crafted teaching aids to the class. That had science of learning behind it. Where the books used to be dull, there were no digital resources that time. Just to break the monotony of teachers' lecture, they were asked to carry such colorful crafted teaching aids. Now the time has changed. It's digital time. Why to waste paper in order to cut out the tree and write A-E-I-O-U to show all the vowels, when you can do it in other ways? If you are so keen to use tangible teaching aids, then create real life resources. This is my fist, and you can't write even a single spelling without this fist. Why so? Because it contains all the sounds without which none of the words can be written. That is A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. You have all the vowels in your palm, in your fingers, and students will never forget that. The moment they see their hand, they'll remember, what did you say? Without this, you can't write a word. In maths, help students imagine the numbers, the operations, and the algebraic equations. Once they start imagining the concept, they would never develop phobia for the subject. In science, it's essential that students visualize all the concepts and apply that in daily life. Provide them with 3D experiences and make your class really interesting. I wish all the teachers conduct the class fruitfully and bring out best of teaching learning process. Like, share, subscribe and comment your experiences of online teaching.